Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Izzah Irdina binti Husni. My matrix number is 202903. I'm a UPM student from Bachelor of Science, Environmental and Occupational Health with Honours. So today, I will be showing you on how to make a pH indicator using things that can be found at our home. Let's check it out. You need to prepare half cup of white vinegar, half cup of lemon juice and half cup of tap water. You also need a teaspoon of laundry powder and a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. The picture on the right shows the difference between teaspoon and tablespoon. First of all, you will need 5 clear glasses, cups or even jars, and then you need 2 bowls. So this one I already put hot water, and then you need a strainer, a knife, a chopping board, and this one is the most important part. You need half of red cabbage. As for the glasses, you need to label them to avoid any confusion. For the powdered chemicals, you need to stir it well to make sure that the powder is dissolved. The first substance is tap water. The second substance we use is laundry powder. We take a teaspoon of laundry powder and then we put half cup of water to dissolve it. Next is the bicarbonate soda. You also take a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda and then you put half cup of water and you dissolve it. For both white vinegar and lemon juice, we need to measure half cup each. I use this measuring cup that shows half of the cup to make sure that all the substances are measured accordingly. Okay, then you need to cut this red cabbage into smaller pieces. And then you put the chopped cabbage in a bowl. Pour hot water in the bowl until the water covers the cabbage. So as you can see here, the water already covers the red cabbage, and then you need to cover it and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, you need to check the red cabbage water, and now you can see the water has changed into purple color. After that, you need to place a strainer in an empty bowl. You pour off the water into the empty bowl. So as we can see now, the plain water has turned into purple color, and this will be our indicator to test our substances later. For the cabbage, you can throw it as a compost. For the next step, you need to put a teaspoon of this purple indicator into each of the glass, and then you need to wait for a while and record for the color changes. After a while, we need to observe the changes in the substances, and then we refer to the pH table to classify which group the substances belong to. So after the color observation, what I can conclude is, first, the tap water, it is neutral because even after we put the purple indicator, the color still has no change. Moving on to these two substances, both has turned into pink color, so they are acidic. So if we look at the lemon juice, it turned into soft pink color, so I assume the pH is around 2 or 3. While for this white vinegar, the color turned into pink and slightly purple, so I assume the pH is around 4 or 5. For these two substances, they are considered as alkali because the color is blue and bluish green. So for the first one, which is bicarbonate soda, the color is blue, so I assume the pH is around 8 or 9. While for this laundry powder, the color is bluish green, so I assume the pH is around 10 or 11. So that's all for our experiment today of making our own pH indicator by using red cabbage and the items that can be found in our home. See you again. Bye bye.